Alright, so common things. Trunk gets effed. Trunk is closed. Button push. Bam. Trunk's open. Go to close the trunk. Stuck open. I think I figured out why. I don't know if it's because. Hold on. Focus. I don't know if it's because there's no tension on this thing. Actually, it looks like the reason why it's not happening anymore is because there's no tension up here. Look at this. Hold on. How did I just do this? Hold on. I lost my needle nose. This is not the one that I was just using though. This is a screwdriver. Yeah. Alright, so this thingy. This thingy. Pull that forward a little bit, brother. And then shut it. And it works. I don't know why. Fucking works. I don't know why it works, but when I undo it, now what happens? See, now it's trashed down. I just move this freaking thing over a little bit, like that, or something. I don't know what's happening. Like that. Yeah, I don't know. I don't get it. I don't get it. Oh. I found it out. I don't know how to fix it yet. I don't know if it's the spring or it's because this doesn't have tension on it. But what happens? Oh, you know what? Hold on. Oh, it's because this thing is not resetting. There's a little black ball in there that you can't see. It's not resetting. I don't know why it's not resetting. Hold on. Figure it out. Yeah, okay, it's not resetting. I found it out. There's a little thingy in here you can't see because it just doesn't want to focus. What if I zoom in and try to freaking do this? Can't, it's too dark. A little nub right there.